Hello everyone and welcome to our daily stock review. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification button so that you'll always be notified about new videos. I'm Troglodyte from Simple Trade, and today I would like to discuss with you the stock SNPW. Recently the stock ran hundreds of percents, showing us a glimpse of what the OTC is capable of. Let's see why the sudden increase in value. This is a pink current company with a decent share structure concentrating on the green power sector. The company concentrates on transforming neighborhoods across the USA into smart cities powered by renewable energy. It does so through its subsidiaries. The company has a rather active Twitter page, in which it recently posted a link to the latest news. The company's subsidiary signed an agreement with Aspire for feedstock to develop 6 waste recovery plants in Australia to attract over $1 billion in investment value. In addition to that, the project seems to be strongly supported by the local government authorities. The local government authorities have warmly received the intention to invest, as it will represent a significant boost to the local economies and job creation projects. That is huge news. As soon as this news came out, the stock started its significant rise. It will be interesting to see what happens with SNPW. Will the project really attract more than $1 billion of investment value? Only time will tell, and so we must look forward and seek the next successful trade. And so we see that opportunities are always present, even in this red market. We just have to be extra vigilant in order to find them. I hope you have enjoyed the video and that you have learned from it. If you have, make sure to subscribe and join our Discord community of Simple Trade, where you will always find guidance, as well as more traders like you that wish to learn, become better, and prosper. Keep up the good work and see you out there.